Kama vile kawaida, karibu tena katika makala mengine hapa M24 TV, na ukumbuke kwamba M24 TV inawaletea taarifa za burudani, taarifa za spoti, taarifa za siasa na taarifa zote ambazo unazitaka masaa 24 kwa siku. Basi leo nikubalie tuingie katika siasa. Aliyekuwa naibu wa rais Rigathi Gachagua ametoa taarifa kuu akimhutubia ama akimwongelesha Inspector General wa polisi, jenerali wa polisi ambaye ni Kanja. Inasoma: planned disruption of public rally in Kikuyu town by goons and police. We are raising concerns over planned disruption of our meeting scheduled for Saturday, the 11th April in Kikuyu town. In several, we documented instances the Kikuyu constituency member of parliament, one Mr. Kimani Ichung'wah, has made direct and veiled threats targeting our meeting. On 25th March 2026, while attending a function in the Alliance High School grounds, and in the presence of the Deputy President, a member of the National Security Council, Mr. Kimani said that if Rigathi is circumcised, tell him to come to Kikuyu. On 9th April 2026 in Parliament, the MP said that you're ferrying guns from Githurai, from Kayole, to come and loot people's business in Kikuyu town, that we will make sure that the police protect business in Kikuyu town. We have noted that despite the blatant threats and admission that he is privy to crimes that may be committed, the MP has not been summoned for further explanation and no action has been taken. We have intelligence and confirmation from the ground that pursuant to his proclamations, the MP is organizing violence with goons and the police. The organized goons are to create mayhem, vandalize people's business, attack targeted establishments in order to trigger the police, who will join in by using tear gas and ammunition in veiled intervention, but in reality, the police will be stepping in as a backup to the goons with the aim of scuttling our meeting. The MP has further organized to block main roads in and out of Kikuyu town by stalling heavy vehicles across the highways with an excuse of mechanical breakdowns in order to block our access to the venue while making attacks on our convoy easier. For the plans to be executed, several meetings by goons and also the police have been held in various venues. On 9th April 2026 at 10 a.m. in Kent Club in Rimuru Road meeting, a meeting by senior administration officers and policemen was held to plan on the disruption. Among them were Joseph Bowen Kibet, County Commissioner in Kiambu; Doris Mugambi, a County Commandant in Kiambu; Samuel Kirui, OCS Karudi Police Station in Kiambaa; Chepkemoi Immaculate, OCS Tigoni Police Station; Rob Kimng'eno, OCS Limuru Police Station; and Joshua Nkanda, OCS Rari Police Station. Democracy for the Citizens Party is a legally registered party as provided in the laws of Kenya, and has held many peaceful meetings in the country, particularly and recently in Kiambu County. We have held peaceful meetings in the following areas. On Saturday, 5th April, Gatundu North constituency in Gakoe, Kamwangi, and Gakuyu shopping centers. On Saturday, 4th April, Juja constituency in Maraba, Darasha, and Juja town. On Monday, 23rd March 2026, Kabeche constituency in Waiginge town. On Saturday, 21st March, Githongori constituency, Githongori town, among many other meetings outside of Kiambu County. All these meetings were peaceful and orderly. What makes Kikuyu town special and predisposed to violence? Mr. Ichung'wah has the intention of creating the violence and blaming it on our party. Kikuyu town is part of Kenya and does not operate on a separate set of laws outside of the laws that govern this country, unless Mr. Ichung'wah is the law of which Kikuyu constituency operates. We are asking you as the Inspector General of the Police to stop the police being used to harm the very people we are supposed to protect, and to deal with the goons and the organized violence against meeting. We should also secure our meeting as is required. Any violence in Kikuyu Town on Saturday, 11/26, the IG Kimani Ichung'wah and the police commanders in Kiambu County and the Kikuyu sub-county will be held liable and responsible. So that's the statement of DCP party leader Rigathi Gachagua to the police IG, Mr. Kanja.